Hello, everyone, and I'm really happy to announce that I am hosting a workshop on server-side Swift development using Vapor Framework. Now, this workshop will be hosted on February 7th, 2025, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central. And in this workshop, you're going to be learning about how to get started with Vapor Framework, which includes routing, MVC pattern, the database integration, and you're also going to consume your own API in your SwiftUI application. Now, this is a close to like a 3-hour workshop, and these workshops usually cost around thousands of dollars, but I want it to be open for everyone. That is why I'm giving you a great price only for $50. You can register for this workshop. You will get all access to the code. You have live Q&A. I mean, it's a live workshop, so you can ask me any questions you want. So make sure that you register for this workshop. All right, so the link will be right there in the YouTube description. Now, if you want to see how I run my workshops, then I am doing a very small session which is on YouTube live stream. So this session will be on January 31st. It will be on YouTube. The live link will be there, but this will be a very mini session just to give you a preview of the workshop. So we're going to just discuss installation of Vapor and some routing, but no database integration, no MVC pattern. If you want to do that, which I recommend that you should, then check out the workshop. Very, very important. All right. And full stack development, I mean, this is always in demand. You can use your favorite programming language, Swift, to create the UI side using Swift UI or UIKit, and you can use the same language to create backend. I mean, that is just amazing. So check out the workshop February 7th, 2025, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central, and there are only few limited tickets, so don't wait too long. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the workshop.